Hello friends, welcome back to Reviews by Dennis. My name is Dennis and today I'm here to tell you about a great new bike light by Victagen. This is the package that it comes in. This is a great light. I played around with it for a little while here. I'm actually doing a video inside. I wanted to do it outside to have a change of scenery, but unfortunately it's raining out today, so I brought the bike inside here so I can show you how to mount it up to give you kind of a quick demo. It's a really nice bike light. It's very bright. It has a maximum capacity of 1,000 what do they call it again? 1,000 lumens. It has 5 different modes. It comes with a little tail light. It's rechargeable. It's got one button push for operation. It comes with a little USB to micro USB to charge. It's got a little grommet on the bottom here that you flip open to charge it. Simply push it into the bottom there. Oh, let me get it the right way. And that's how you're going to charge it to any USB device, whether it's a wall plug, your computer, power bank, or what have you. And then when you're done charging it, you're going to want to make sure that little grommet's securely in there to help make sure that you got that nice water resistant seal. This is the tail light that comes with it. As you see, it's a stretchy rubber, and it's got a little hook on the end, so that way it's going to wrap around somewhere on the tail end of your bike. And it's just going to wrap around and secure into there and create a loop. And the tail light actually has 3 different modes as well. I'll give you a quick demo on that on the handlebar of the bike when I show you how to put this on there. This is the actual front of the headlight. As you see, it's a nice sleek design. Like I said, one push button. I don't have the battery in there yet. This is the actual mount. I'll show you how to put that on. It's a really nice mount. This is where it's going to slide into the actual flashlight in the chamber here. It locks into place. It's got a little retainer pin here that once it's locked into place, it doesn't come out unless you push down on this thing here, which will make it so that it can come out. So that way it's securely in place. And this is the actual battery that it comes with, the rechargeable battery. 3200 mAh rechargeable battery. This is the battery size is the 18650, which is a good size battery. And then lastly, it comes with the instruction leaflet, which shows you all the different specifications, the amount of lumens while operating either in the high, mid, low, strobe, or SOS functions of the 5 different modes that the light has. So I'm just going to show you real quick. Try to show you how to mount this on here after I put the battery in it. Real simply, the back end unscrews on this thing, and you're gonna want to put the battery in with the tip end facing down, and then you're gonna want to just screw it back onto the flashlight until it stops, and then just give it a little test drive to make sure it works. And you see it's on, and you go through your 5 different settings to get back to the off position, and there it is, off again. Then I'm going to swing the camera around here to my daughter's bike. So you're just going to want to stick the end in there, and then in this particular case you're going to want to give it a little push in there and then start turning it clockwise. It's got a little spin dial, and you'll feel it start grabbing. And as it does, you'll see this tip is getting pulled through. And as it's pulling through, it's sucking up all the excess. And as it's pulling the excess through, it's reducing the amount of the size of the hole and tightening up on the handlebar. And you're not going to want to tighten it super tight. You want to tighten it so it's secure, but you don't want to tighten it too tight where you're going to strip it out, because then it's really going to be no good to anybody. So hand tight is really good enough, and that's really good right there. It's not gonna maybe a little more snug. You just want it so it's not going to move around. So once it gets in that position where it's not going to move, you're going to look at that channel on your light. You're going to want to face it forward. So you're going to line it up here. You see this thing's got the little dot. That's the retainer pin that's going to lock onto there. So you're going to line it up, and you'll hear it click. And it locks into place. I don't know if you heard that on camera or not, but now it's securely on there. When you light it up, let me turn it off camera a little bit. That's your high. Starts off at the high, medium, low, strobe, SOS, and off. And then, like I said, on the back, you got a little clip. You push it, and it's a barrel lock, and then it just pulls right off. So then you can take this back into your house to recharge it, and then you're ready to go. And then you don't have to worry about taking this mount off. It's already on your bike. You're good to go. And as I said, with the tail light, obviously you're going to put this on the back end of your bike, but it's very similar. You're going to want to do the same similar thing on the back end of your bike. You're just going to bring this around, find a spot that's going to work for you, and you're going to put it on like that. And this has 3 settings. You got this one, you got a strobe, and you got more of a slow strobe. And then back in the off position. And again, this is a stretchy rubber or silicone, so that'll fit around an assortment of different size bars as well. Also, as a reminder, even though these are great as a bike light, I think these also serve many multiple functions. These, in combination, you know, the tail light and the headlight can serve multiple functions throughout the year. For example, you could use both the tail light and the headlight while going camping, you know, fishing. You know, you could do them on many multiple outings. You could use them roadside while you're doing, like, say, changing your tires or whatever, just to draw attention to yourself alongside of the road in the evenings or at night while changing the tire, just to help bring attention to yourself as a safety concern if you don't have road flares or something like that, if you happen to have them in your car. Also, as say Halloween's approaching, this red light is a really great light to have, you know, strapped to you know, your child's wrist or something. Just having it on that flash would really bring attention to your child, to help your child be seen while they're out trick-or-treating. And you know, so they're not just functional as bike lights, but they're very versatile as just safety lights. So if you're interested in checking out these lights, which I really think are really a positive item, check out the link in the description below. And I thank you again for stopping by today here at Reviews by Dennis, and have a great day. Bye bye, folks.